So today's video regarding HP Invoice 6000 series all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to load the A4 size sheets or how to load the paper sheet and install the SetUp ink cartridges in this printer. Now the first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button on and here you will see the light will start. Now the paper tray is at the bottom of this printer. So open this tray and here we have the place we can adjust the size. Place the A4 size sheets here and adjust the size with it and close this paper tray. Also the paper output tray is here. Now to install the ink cartridges or the SetUp ink cartridges, simply we take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So these are the SetUp ink cartridges which we get with this printer. Now take the starter ink cartridges packing and you can just tear it off.